300% brighter than halogen 9005 blue LED headlight 8000K with top automotive grade DOB chips, 65W, 14,000 LM output. 300% brightness compared to original factory bulbs, make you see further for safer driving. Strong cooling fan. The DUOLUTONG 9005 LED light adpot 6063 aviation aluminum body with thermal conductivity up to 10,000 RPM powerful turbo cool fan makes it 3 times better heat dissipation. Extended lifespan over 50,000 hours for longer lasting illumination. Plug and play almost 1-to-1 mini design same as halogen, perfectly fit into your housing and factory 9005, HB3, H10 sockets without any modification. Just remove the old ones and plug and play. No tools are needed to replace your original 9005 LED bulbs. Easy to install within 10 minutes. Adjustable beam design 9005 HB3 LED headlight bulbs with adjustable beam pattern design for a clear cutoff point. The light is focused down the road so does not blind or glare oncoming traffic, no dark spots or shadowed areas, provides wider and further lighting range. Application fit for 9005 HB3 H10 9145914090409045 LED headlight bulb high or low beam fog light bulb to replace dim halogen. Please refer to your vehicle's user manual or check your original light bulb's part number, or search Automotive Bulb Finder online to confirm bulb type. Top reviews from the United States. Extremely bright and very easy to install. These bulbs are being used in my high beams and they really project down the road quite a long distance. The color spectrum really makes the signs pop out. It's a nice blue but not too purple. The installation was a breeze. Highly recommended.